Alright, so we put our string lines back up on our batter boards. Batter board Brad. And we took them from the footer screw and we put them on the wall screw. And we ran them all. We got all 4 string lines up on the wall screw. I gotta get my old ass down here. Hopefully it's, oh yeah, dry enough to work on. Oh yeah. So what we're gonna do, we got this thing, laser pointer, and we're gonna laser pointer down here, turn it on, and we're gonna come up and shoot that intersection. We gotta go way back there. Oh shit, now it's bleeping, huh? Let's see. Go even farther back. That's gonna be kind of shitty to lay block on. That's pretty close. I gotta go back about right in here. Next easiest thing to do would be oh. Next easiest thing to do, I forget what the hell I was talking about. Oh, plumb bob. Oh boy, that's gonna be tough. We didn't float that out enough. Yeah, this is gonna have to do. Oh boy, that's close. I need to go that way just a tad. Oh. Plumb bob would probably work better. Boy, that's real close. So once we get that on there, lined up, we'll have our spot to snap a line. Thinking that's about it. You can see laser dot on my line. Maybe not. Anyhow, that's what we're gonna do here. Carry on.